Take the frickin' weave. It is a chill day. We are sitting by the tree. It's nice and cozy. I have the fireplace on. I actually got ready so fast today. My weave is like straightened out. I clipped them in, but my hair isn't. It's just, I'm sorry. So today I have this mystery box. It is nice and wrapped up. It's actually by Martha's Milky Way Slimes. Thank you so much, Martha. This box is pretty heavy, and I'm sure it's full of goodies and slime, and I don't know what's in here. So we're gonna unbox this mystery box today. Let's get straight into it. Okay. Wow, I love how even the inside is wrapped. Well, not everything, but the fact that she even wrapped the flaps, it's like, wow. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. So this was from like October, and there's actually some Halloween themed things in here, I see. So we got a note. Oh. She designed her logo herself. This is so freaking amazing. And then this says, open me. Slimes that were included in your package. I love how she put like all the names in there. It's so helpful. We got Trick or Candy Corn, Barbie's Dream House, Clear Cotton Candy, Lemon Party Mix, Mermazing, and Surprise Slime. Wait, this is so cool. Wait, there's a lot of extras in here. I love washi tape so much. It's a donut bath bomb. Thank you so much, Martha. This is adorable. Wow, I'm getting inspired. Craft City, hello. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is like a putty. I freaking hate spiders, even fake anything. I hate them. This is actually creeping me out. Choose happy. Girl, this is so cute. I think this is activator, which is so nice of her because they have been sitting a while, so I would not be surprised if some of them are melted. Unicorn Power, a mirror. Oh, we have some pigments in here. Adhesive notes. The next thing I see is this. Super slime. Oh, this is a secret identity. What the? The slime is called Karina Queen Glossy Queen. So cute. The packaging, like, are you serious? I could never. So this is the Glossy Queen. Me. Oh, hoo-hoo. She is glossy. Look at how pretty that color is. Thanks, girl. I love the little secret identity slime. It's so cute. Now we're down to the actual slime. Ooh. Looks like it has foam beads. And it looks like it's not that melted, actually. Ooh. This has a cute little charm in it. It has something in it, and I can't figure out what it is. But it gives it this really unique texture, and I am obsessed. It even has like chewy bubble pops, if that even makes sense. It's a very thick but jiggly texture. I don't know how to explain it. Oh wow, is this like a 12 ounce or something? Wow. Look at the little Fimo candy slices. This definitely got a little soft, but it's actually not as sticky. It's not really sticking to me. This is also not scented, and I think it's because, you know, it's a clear slime, and when you add scent to clear slime, a lot of the time it gets foggy, so makes perfect sense. This is a really nice soft slime though. Love her. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Like, I'm excited, but then I'm mad because I dropped them. Cringe. God, these are good. Oh my god, I found more candy. What the? Oh no. Just kidding. It's foam balls. Look how pretty that is. It has a nice scent. It's an ombre slime, which is already makes it a 10, honestly. Okay. Look at all that clay. I wonder if it inflates. Let's play with it. It's a very dense butter. Oh, so soft. And the more I play with it, the softer and stretchier it gets. I guess this is not self-inflating, but it's a very nice, dense butter slime. It's so soft. It like my fingers feel like they melt in it. I'm so excited. I think it's a cloud slime. Oh, it smells good. I think this is a lemon one she mentioned. It has a nice like lemon cake scent, and look how beautiful this is. Like, what? Did you see that? Instant drizzles. Not even fluffed up yet. What is this? Okay, Queen of Cloud. Are you seeing this? I'm not even trying. Most of them, you have to have a little technique to it where you do it a certain way so that it drizzles. And it's rare to get a cloud slime that just drizzles on its own without you trying. Like, Squishy Bunny come through and drizzle. Oh, love her. Okay, honestly, Martha, this is one of the best cloud slimes I have ever tried. It's so soft, so nice. This is literally my favorite cloud slime ever. We are down to the last slime. Ooh, I'm assuming this is Barbie Dream House. It's so pretty. And she actually said that it was inspired by Nicole Jacqueline, because I think Nicole has a slime like this color. It is a freaking jelly, and I am so excited right now. I didn't even expect that. It's not scented, but it is absolutely beautiful. It has little star sprinkles at the bottom. It has some glitter on it. It's a very bright pink. And it's a frickin' jelly. So pretty. Look at the color, guys. The color. All these slimes are so good. Girl. Just take it, girl. Just take the frickin' weave. My favorite ones, hands down, were the butter, the cloud, and the jelly. You guys, this is so freaking awesome. This is the best jelly slime. I need a gallon of this. It is amazing. Thank you so much, Martha, for this big old box of a bunch of goodies, extras, and I honestly expected slime, but I didn't expect so much candy, so many goodies, and so many extras. Thank you so much, and thank you to everybody who has brought any gifts to me at any convention. Sometimes it may take a while, but I promise I will get to it. Some of them go on my Instagram stories, some of them go in videos. Thank you so much, Martha, once again. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mystery box unboxing. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you later. Bye!